Guys, this month I got the premium version of Leonardo AI and I tried generating images from this. However, the feature of image to motion, it isn't performing as I expected it to perform. So these are all the images that I generated with this one. The images look pretty fine I would say. Look at the realistic features on the face of this man, and you see when I went on to produce the videos from it, you see this video, you see how the face is stretching out, and this isn't what I exactly wanted. Now in the initial image to motion that I generated, I turned the motion to like 5. So let's say this is the image that I want to turn into a video. I'll click on this one and I'll then move on to click on image to motion. And once here, the motion strength, let's say I keep it to 5. Now 5 is a pretty, I would say, a decent number, but still with 5 I got pretty haphazard results. Now let me click on generate. In the meanwhile, I'll show you what else I generated and why it isn't to my liking. So you see this one. So here you see the face isn't that much clear. There's a lot going on his eyes. It's pretty weird actually. Then in this one, the motion strength was 3. So this seemed like fine to me. Moving on, this one, the graphics weren't that much clear, but still there was some motion. This one was also not that much interesting. As for this one, you see what's happening over here. This guy is morphing a lot. You see, this one I would say was reasonable. But you see a lot of other AI video generators, they are taking images and adding their own creativity to it. I'll show you. So like you see Luma Labs, there people are turning memes into images, sorry, in videos, and you see how they are doing this meme. This guy is actually started coming back towards the girl, and here you see in the original meme there's this girl and the house is burning in the back, but Luma AI, it turned it into a video where these firefighters were talking. Now this one, similarly, it added their own motion, and this memes, it's also funny. And for this one, you see how it's doing random actions which we didn't expect, or the meme doesn't have that context. But anyways, Luma AI added its own creativity. You see how these people were sitting and they started dancing. So anyways, we'll get back to Leonardo AI. Now you see this motion. The motion strength here is 3, but it's very subtle. It's very subtle, and you would ideally want more from Leonardo AI actually. And if you turn on the motion strength to 5 or above it actually destroys your video actually. There have been worst examples like this one. Let me show you this. You see what's happening over here. This guy is turning into something really weird. Now let us go back to the one we generated. You saw the motion strength we kept to 5, and this is what it produced for us. The face features are not clear, the camera is moving, however you see the hand, it's also not that much clear. Anyways, Leonardo AI's image to video isn't actually that much interesting for me. The image generator is perfectly fine. You see, after buying this, and I still have like 54,000 tokens left. However, I would keep trying this one, but for me, if I have to take it just for the image to motion or image to video, then this doesn't make much sense. So this was my opinion on Leonardo AI as of the latest. They might improve this in future. However, This is the type of content that I make, and if you find it interesting or it matches and resonates with your liking, do check out the other videos on the channel. And right now on the screen, you would be seeing two videos that are the most relevant to you. So I'll see you in the next one.